with us again today. We are back at Silver Dollar City. We're so excited. You guys know we love this place, and today is the first day of the Craftsman Festival. And a few videos ago, you guys might have remembered that we kind of teased you with a little clip of this upcoming festival. And so today we're gonna walk around. There's a few little fall colors starting to peek through, a lot of really cool pumpkins already. We haven't even stepped inside the park yet, just kind of entered the area, and it's already fabulous.
This is my favorite festival.
Yes, this is our favorite festival. I also love the Bluegrass and Barbecue Festival, but the Craftsman Festival is the best. So let's go see what we can see.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's what I keep being told, but I haven't figured it out yet.
Right, okay, ready for this? There you go. There's your mug.
Already.
Well, not quite, but we're close.
How long have you been doing this?
Oh, I've been doing this. I'm the apprentice here. She's been doing it for
38.
She started when she was 12. So, yes.
I've just been throwing my life away.
Yeah,
Yeah.
potter. What is a potterer called?
A potter.
Potter.
A potter.
Potter. Yes, I'm going to pot.
Potter's joke. Oh, you're full of potter's jokes.
Hey, I'm full of it. Yes, ma'am.
It's so satisfying to watch the
Yes,
movement
yes.
and the flow. That right there has its own draw in, and you can just forget it.
It's mesmerizing.
Yes.
And if you're tired, it's like, oh, it's so nice.
Be careful not to face plant in the mud.
It's so wonderful.
These are beautiful, though. Wow.
Thank you.
Where do you get the stones?
I make them. They're dichroic fused glass. So it's a kiln fused process.
Wow.
It's, each color is a different combination of metals reacting under high heat. So it's not this pretty when I put it in the kiln. It's just kind of a frosty looking glass, you know.
So
and I
you
stack
really do it from beginning to
Right. I start with a dark color or black, and then there's usually about 4 layers in each piece. There's 2.
Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine. Am I on YouTube?
You
Hi,
are.
everybody.
What you got going on over there?
Well, I'm making a cross.
Oh, beautiful.
I have to punch a hole in it now, so it's got a way to be hung up.
Sure.
It's a little bit faster than drilling it to punch it.
How long have you been doing this?
About 35 years. I'm starting to get the hang of it.
Yeah.
Oh, really? So now I'll finish the other 3 arms and work my way around the cross.
That's got to be a satisfying art.
I think it is. It keeps me interested.
Yeah.
Even after 35 years, I'm still learning new things, trying new things.
What you making over there?
Dog tags.
I'm such a toucher, and I just want to run my hands. You know what I mean?
People do it all the time.
You know when you go to the rocks, you know there's the colored rocks, and you just want to dig your hands all deep inside them.
Yeah.
What is so satisfying about that?
I don't know, but I have spent an hour and a half just looking at charms.
Yeah. So you made this? How? What? How? Like.
I use a silicone mold for those. What I do most of is the steampunk genre.
Yeah.
And so that's 95% of what I sell.
How long is the process?
4 days.
4 days.
Yeah, it's a
Gotcha.
4 day. From start to finish, it's 4 days.
Scissor cutting.
Oh my heck. Do your hands have to be so strong?
Well, it's thin enough. It's not too bad. But your hands get tired after a while.
I'm sure they do. After a short while, I would think.
Yeah.
These are beautiful.
Thank you. All the colors are just created from different degrees of heat.
Oh, okay. There was a little bear out here that was so fabulous. First time?
What's that?
Dude, you have skills. I knew there was a reason I married you. Oh, 2 in a row.
But it won't take long to get to the bottom of that.
I'm doing fused glass.
That's why I wondered if you're putting these pieces on there and then you, I guess, like melt them.
It will go into a
sometime?
kiln at 1430 degrees.
Okay.
It has a program where it starts at room temperature and it ramps up so many degrees per hour until it gets to 1430, and then it ramps down to back to room temperature. But in there's something called an annealing segment, where the molecules all go back to where they were supposed to be. It makes the glass stronger.
Wow. Did you make all of this?
Yes.
You've been busy, busy, busy.
I'm a retired superintendent of schools, so I'm used to working 18 hours a day.
Yeah.
So I didn't have anything to do.
Makes it really hard, doesn't it?
Yeah. Sit at home and sit on the deck and look at all the crazies on the lake. So I started doing this.
Is your name Jackie?
Yes.
What a fun name. Wax painting?
The wax is painted on and it's layered. Each layer is heated into the background with a heat gun. And then I'll start building up the different layers. This one I'm trying to settle my background down. It got a little carried away.
And heating the background.
This is what I just finished. I worked on it several days. Need to let it set now for a little bit to make sure that I don't want to change anything on it or do any more to it.
And the camera smile, okay.
How old is the machine?
That machine, they quit making that in 1945. It's called a Union 36, made in Boonville, New York.
How'd you learn how to do this?
Self-taught, and errors, and praying, and everything else, yeah. I had no teachers, no classes.
You just liked the art of it.
Part of it, I'm 76 years old, just like this machine is. And my wife back there, she's a quilter. She was up in Jamesport. She was up in Jamesport for 3 years.
Yeah,
we talked to her
just
for about
talked to
15
her for a
minutes.
while.
Yeah.
May talk to me longer than that, you know. Unless you walk off.
I like even how you mount them.
That's a piece of cottonwood.
This one's cottonwood. So pretty. Wow. That is the fanciest, most gorgeous top I've ever seen.
Just got them made this morning.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, Buck Taylor.
Yeah.
Well, hi, old Buck Taylor.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm in my prime.
You're in your prime?
Yeah.
You're a lucky man.
Yeah.
I bet you've had quite a few opportunities with this. Met a lot of people and
I have.
done and seen a lot of things.
I like this. You know,
Yeah.
I wanted to sit down and there. Most decorated soldier in World War II.
Audie Murphy?
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I get people's names. Oh, you're Patty.
I'm Cow Patty.
You're Cow Patty.
I am.
Well, hi, Patty. So that must be so satisfying to have that in your brain and design it and then have that creation come from it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that is gorgeous. Do you have an online presence?
I do.
Yeah?
It's
What is it?
Creations
Yeah.
by Cow Patty.
Creations by Cow Patty. I love that.
And I come by that name honestly. My name's Patty. I raise cows.
Yeah.
And at a very young age, my father said the shovel didn't fit his hands.
Uh-huh.
My father's initials for his name are BS. And I found out at 99 and a half, he's still full of it.
Yeah. So you're making a broom. Are they really useful?
Yes.
Are they?
Yes.
Or are they just decorative?
No, they are all made to be used with these.
What are the fibers?
So this is broomhorn, and it's actually in the sorghum family.
Oh, okay.
And so it grows just like a regular stalk of corn, except instead of having ears on the stalk itself, this is what grows out of the top. And this is actually, if you can see inside, that's actually the straw.
Oh, okay.
So it goes through a drying process, and then all the seeds come off of it, and then it's worked up to be ready for that. So this is what it looks like in the end.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore.
All right, you guys, we hope that you enjoyed the Craftsman Festival today. Like we said, we love Silver Dollar City. The Craftsman Festival is here every single year. What was your favorite?
I'd say my favorite was the gentleman that was, I think he's 76 years old and he was working a weave.
That
woven rug.
Yeah, that was really cool.
Had a great story to tell.
Yeah, I noticed that they were storytellers.
Yeah.
They really were. There's no way. I can't choose a favorite, but it was fabulous. We so hope that you enjoyed it, and we hope that you get out today and find something around you. I know that you guys, we all have stuff around us this time of year. It's so fun to get out and find something to do and just enjoy this beautiful weather and this time of year. We're going to hopefully at this point take you guys on a little pumpkin walk. We'll see how the lighting turns out and how it goes. So come with us. Let's go see a bunch of pumpkins. I guess they're hand carved by a pumpkin artist. So Who knew? That's very cool. We will go ahead and leave you with that. And so until next week, this is Grassroots Living, reminding you to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love.
We're thinking of you, and we'll catch you next time.
Peace out.